This is the teacher overview for Unit 6, Module 3, Session 1, the 329th friend, how many tables, Part 1. So to start out the session, you will need the 329th friend, you will need your red linear units, colored tiles. I don't know if you need the magnetic tiles and the magic wall. You probably would. That would be helpful. The magic wall is that thing that you put in the closet that's a magnetic wall that you can put your magnetic tiles on. Also, make sure you go over the vocabulary. It's a lot of vocabulary from the last unit, but just to remind them about it. Basically, what you're going to be doing is you'll read the 329th friend again. You've already read it in another session, but you can refresh their memories. And then you're getting the students to start thinking about the idea of perimeter by using the red linear pieces to fit them around the tables. So for example, looking at the difference in the perimeter, this would seat 4 as opposed to 2 tables pushed together would only seat 6. So go through the problem and investigation. It has some really great questions in here. It really makes kids think outside of the box, like, oh, I could design it like this and I would have a perimeter of 10. All of these actually have the same perimeter and would seat the same amount of people. So they're eventually going to be thinking about how many tables they would need in order to seat all 329 friends. But we're trying to think of it just in groups of 10 for this part of the lesson. At the end, just for fun, you can have them figure out how many tables they would need to fit all of the 329 animals that come to the party. And you can make it into this table. So for example, if we have one table, there are 10 friends, down to if we have 33 tables, there are 330 friends, and explaining the idea of remainders, because at the end we would only need 9 of the 10 spots in the last table, but you still obviously need a table for that. And if you would like, you can send home the home connection that actually is good on this one, so it might help some of those kids who seem to be struggling.